Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sycom GeForce RTX 5080 GPU with AI cooling supported by Noctua. Friends, today I will talk about Sycom RTX 5080 Hydro graphics card. This graphics card it comes with Sycom new Blackwell-based Silent Master series of graphics card following the footstep of the RTX 40 model, and these are custom card equipped with special frame and that support desktop fan like Noctua, and as a result, Sycom is offering one of the most robust and quietest GPU for Japanese market. The liquid cool RTX 5080 LC Hydro can maintain 7% higher clock compared to the air cooler model, and while the GPU temperature is recorded at 64.9 Celsius, making the card faster and quieter, and the company has equipped the card with 240 ml radiator connected to a pump, tubes and coolant, and Sycom says there is no worry to about water leaks or correction, and extensive testing is performed to ensure there are no issues either the manufacturer factory or their own assembly line. And if the design looks similar, you are probably right. This is the actually Melvis RTX 5080 Nebula design, and it features the same shroud color scheme. Even the heatsink and all through the base plate has been replaced by radiator pump. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.